Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can save your file in Canva. So here, as you can see, we have the Canva project. And if you want to save this one, all you need to do is click on the share button right there at the right side or top right-hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that share button, go and click this download button. And here, as you can see, we have some file type and we're going to click on the drop down menu and just select any of the file type here. So I'm going to select this PDF standard. So we're going to click on this one. And as you can see, you have also two options. So I want to enable this flattened PDF. As you can see here, flattening your PDF can help ensure it prints properly. Now, once done, you just have to download it. And there you go. You can now find that on your download folder and you can now save that file. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to our channel.